Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. So in today's video we will see about vegetables. So as you remember in the last video we have seen about fruits. So let's see the today's topic vegetables. So these vegetables means articles. In Amharic vegetables means article. So tomato, it means in Amharic timatim. Tomato means in Amharic timatim. And onion in Amharic it means ሽንኩርት. Onion means in Amharic ሽንኩርት. And potato means in Amharic ድንች. Potato means ድንች. And a carrot means in Amharic carrot. Carrot means in Amharic carrot, the same name. The same pronunciation with Amharic. So carrot. Cabbage means in Amharic ጎመን. Cabbage means in Amharic ጎመን. And lettuce means in Amharic ሰላጣ. Lettuce means in Amharic ሰላጣ. And spinach means in Amharic spinach. Spinach means in Amharic spinach. And grape pepper means green pepper. Green pepper means in Amharic ቃሪያ. Green pepper means in Amharic ቃሪያ. Green pepper means in Amharic ቃሪያ. And garlic means in Amharic ነጭ ሽንኩርት. Garlic means in Amharic ነጭ ሽንኩርት. Garlic means in Amharic ነጭ ሽንኩርት. And ginger means in Amharic ዝንጅብል. Ginger means in Amharic ዝንጅብል. And beetroot means in Amharic ቀይ ስር. Beetroot means in Amharic ቀይ ስር. And pumpkin means in Amharic. This pumpkin means in Amharic it's a duba. Pumpkin means duba. And cucumber means in Amharic duba አረንጓዴ. Cucumber means in Amharic duba አረንጓዴ. And eggplant means in Amharic ደበርጃን. Eggplant means in Amharic ደበርጃን. And green peas means in Amharic አረንጓዴ ባቄላ. Beans means ባቄላ. So green beans means አረንጓዴ ባቄላ. And broccoli means in Amharic also the same pronunciation broccoli means in Amharic the same pronunciation broccoli, the same sound. And cauliflower also the same pronunciation in Amharic cauliflower. And sugar sweet potato means in Amharic ስኳር ድንች. Sweet potato means in Amharic ስኳር ድንች. And yummy or yam means in Amharic yam means in Amharic also the same pronunciation yam. And peas or pea means in Amharic አተር. Pea means in Amharic አተር. And lentils means in Amharic ምስር. Lentils means in Amharic ምስር. And chickpeas means in Amharic ሽምብራ. Chickpeas means in Amharic ሽምብራ. And okra means in Amharic bamia. Okra means in Amharic bamia. And celery means in Amharic also the same pronunciation celery in Amharic the same pronunciation. And zucchini also the same pronunciation in Amharic zucchini. And mushroom. So mushroom in Amharic it means እንጉዳይ. Mushroom means in Amharic እንጉዳይ. And coriander means in Amharic ድንብላል. So in the most of the time we use these vegetables or this type of vegetables to preparing a bread. So it's sweet, so it's spices. So it's like we use like spices. So this coriander is ድንብላል. Coriander means ድንብላል. And parsley also the same pronunciation in Amharic parsley. So this is all about today's lesson. So it's like 28 vegetables names or words used to noun or used to name vegetables or articles in Amharic. So thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. See you to another video. Bye.